Hey, I'm Dr. Craig Butler, your Northwest Ohio chiropractor, and today we got Vince in the office, and Vince has been a patient for a few years now, and when he first came in, he was still working then, and he had lots of neck pain. He said, get this big knot up here, and he doesn't, since he retired, he doesn't get that anymore, so I don't know if I fixed that.
I think so.
Okay. But today his low back's bugging him, and it's usually his left SI joint, which that's pretty sore right there. And he said it's hurting on both sides today. So it's been a few months since I've seen him. So we're just gonna give him a once over and take care of everything. Sound good to you, Vince?
Yep.
Alright, let's have you lay on your side facing this way. Alright, bring that leg up. Slide that shoulder down. Yeah, that was easy. Let's go to the other side.
I found it before you even
Yeah. Yep. Great. Lay on your back. Working on any projects this spring?
Oh, I gotta paint the house this summer, so
Okay.
that'll keep me busy.
Yeah, well.
Got the barn last year, so.
You going to any races?
Oh, I'll be there every Saturday night usually.
Yeah, cool. Deep breath in. All out. There we go. You're moving great today. Okay, let's bring you in the chair for your neck. There. One more. There it goes. Okay. Let's drop your right shoulder. Great. Next really not bad at all.
No, that's been feeling pretty good actually, yeah.
Cool. Let's have you lay face down. There was a time, what was that, about a year and a half
A
ago,
couple years ago, yeah.
when you
That was
he had a
terrible.
bulging disc. It was going down his right arm, and
Yeah,
we probably treated him for about a month
yeah.
for that. But we got it under control. That left hip is still. You let that drop a little. Slide this way a little bit. Okay. There we go. Have you look up at the guitar. Good, relax. There it goes. I think you've been sitting in the recliner too much, Vince.
Well, I can't dispute that. Especially February.
Oh, I know, it was so cold. Nobody wanted to go outside. No excuse now, though.
No. You know Jim Clifton?
Yeah.
He's selling out.
Oh, he's getting out of business?
Yeah.
Good for him.
He's got a big auction this coming Saturday.
Oh, yeah?
He's selling all his stuff. House, buildings, the whole 9 yards.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's bring it back in the chair. He's getting up there.
Yeah,
I mean, I was surprised.
he's not in the best of health either.
No.
He's been, he's had some heart surgeries and he's got asthma. Terrible asthma. I think from him doing all that wheat farming all them years.
Sure.
Hey,
How's that back feeling?
good.
Good. Cool. Well, hey, good adjustment today. I'm Dr. Butler. Thanks for watching.